Hello guys! As we hope that the Android users, and especially Samsung lovers, are eagerly waiting for the Unpacked event. But don't worry about it, because this wait will end finally on January 17th. Today, we have interesting update for you as with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung will finally bring a much-awaited upgrade to its video recording that we have been asking for years. As we know that the smartphone cameras have gotten so good that they can compete with some of the best top mirrorless cameras out there. But when we move toward the video recording on phones, then the improvement is still required. As always, we are here to give better information about S24 Ultra's lineup, so before starting, please don't forget subscribe and hit that bell button. That's why you don't miss our upcoming coverage. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will take two big steps to cover this gap. The first one is the ability to record 4K videos in a whopping 120 frames per second. Very few smartphones in the world can record 4K 120 Hz videos. Sony's Xperia phones are one of them, but neither the iPhones nor the Pixel phones can do it. So this is going to be big if Samsung pulls it off. Now, you might wonder, why would you need to shoot in 120 frames per second? Well, if I have to answer that in 3 words, it's better slow-mo. When you play this footage back at a standard frame rate, like 30 frames per second, the video appears slower and smoother, capturing details that might be missed at regular speeds. For example, at a sporting event, recording fast-paced sports like football, basketball, or motor racing can benefit from 4K at 120 frames per second. Also, when traveling, when capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or cultural events, shooting in 4K at 120 frames per second can provide visually stunning and immersive footage that elevates the overall quality of travel videos. The examples are endless. And yeah, I know we already have super slow-mo on Samsung phones. But let's be real, the quality was kinda meh, so people didn't bother much. Now what isn't clear though, is if the phone can record videos at that resolution and frame rate using all its cameras. In theory, it should be feasible, but only time will if that happens. Now, the second big step Samsung is taking in the video, as well as with the photo, is with the zoom. Specifically, Samsung will offer nightography zoom with the S24 Ultra. That's according to the official leaked marketing material from Walmart before they took it down. Zoom photos and videos in low light have always suffered on phones, but the fact that Samsung's marketing this nightography zoom thing like it's a game changer, so fingers crossed for some real improvements there. Now, other things mentioned in this leak were already discussed in my previous videos, so I'm not going to go over them again. Moving on, Ice Universe mentions again that the S24 lineup will support the HDR display of photos. You see, when capturing photos or videos using HDR on Android phones, they are usually adjusted to fit the standard dynamic range SDR before being saved. This process can lead to a loss of information, causing the image or video to look less vibrant. In contrast, the Ultra HDR on the S24 Ultra preserves the original 10-bit HDR format, ensuring that brightness, contrast, and color range remain unchanged. So, when you check out your photos or videos on the Galaxy app or social media, you'll see them in all their original HDR glory. With that said, to find out in which area the S24 Ultra is far better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If these rumors are really impress you, and you're as excited as we are about the future of Samsung smartphones, please share your thoughts in the comment section. And also hit that like button. Thanks for watching.